Welcome to the channel. In this video I will be showing you how to connect a wireless adapter to Kali Linux. This is essential for tasks like penetration testing and network analysis. Let's get started. First, let's check if Kali Linux recognizes your wireless adapter. Open your terminal and type the following commands: sudo iwconfig This command lists all network interfaces. Look for an entry that mentions WLAN 0 or similar. If you see it, your wireless adapter is recognized. If your wireless adapter isn't recognized, you may need to install the necessary drivers. For many adapters, the following command will do the trick: sudo apt-get install firmware Atheros. This command installs the Atheros firmware, which supports many wireless adapters. If your adapter uses a different chipset, you will need to install the appropriate drivers. Next, we will enable monitor mode on your wireless adapter. This mode allows your adapter to capture all wireless traffic. Type the following commands: sudo ifconfig WLAN 0 down. Next, sudo iwconfig WLAN 0 mode monitor. Last, type sudo ifconfig WLAN 0 up. These commands bring down the interface. Set it to monitor mode and bring it back up. To verify that your adapter is in monitor mode, type the following commands: sudo iwconfig. You should see mode monitor next to your wireless interface. If you do, your adapter is now in monitor mode and ready for use. If you need to connect to a wireless network, switch back to managed mode with these commands: sudo ifconfig WLAN 0 down. Next, sudo iwconfig WLAN 0 mode managed. And last, sudo ifconfig WLAN 0 up. Then use the network manager to connect to your desired network. And that's it. You successfully connected your wireless adapter to Kali Linux and enabled monitor mode. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Kali Linux tutorials. Thanks for watching.